Hello, friend. Today I thought we would do something special and get some of my new stuff that I ordered today. It came in the mail just today. Let's hope that it is something that I really needed. I ordered some new knives, so let's hope that we got what we wanted. Westin Cooper? Who is Westin Cooper? Do you know him? Do we know what's going on here? This isn't for me. Maybe it's something good. We'll see. Maybe there'll be some new knives after all. After all, the old ones that I have are starting to get dull. You wouldn't like me to have dull knives, would you? Would you? You know that they'll hurt even more, right? Hurt me whenever I'm trying to cut something, because that's no good whenever you're trying to do some stuff, cooking stuff. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. Hopefully there's nothing in there that I can cut. Be bad, don't you? Too bad it didn't come in a box. I like to take it out of the box. I wonder if there's a word for that. Let's see. I'll get it. Okay. Sounds like we got some glass stuff, do we? Sure Westin won't mind. We take care of the bag. Okay. Alright, let's see. What is this? Ooh. What? Very nice. I like that. Actually a little bit of cooking stuff after all. A little bottle opener. It's got my favorite on it. My favorite color. Blood red. I like that. Ooh, what do we got next? Ooh. Oh, are they trying to let us fight vampires? Garlic. I like garlic. On a coffin. So that way we can fight vampires. I've always admired vampires. How they have such a lust for blood. I've always liked the color red. The color red's always been my favorite. Something to keep you warm on those chilly nights and protect your neck. A bloody scarf. Oh, I think that goes pretty well. Last but not least, Nosferatu. The most demonic of all the vampires.